Hello, Mustangs. Uh, Here's another math follow-up video. Again, I'm behind. I'm sorry. I am down at the very, very bottom of Module 4, Topic H in the Khan Academy. And you can see that we have a couple of videos here followed by your 3 final exercises. Well, hopefully these videos made sense to you. All he was explaining to you in these videos is how to um, create a graph using an equation and how the dependent and the independent variables will produce a straight line. All you need is 2 points to create a straight line. So if you have um, 2 dependent variables and 2 independent variables, you have a line. I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward here. I'm going to grab a problem from this exercise right here, and we're going to go ahead and do it right now. I'll show you how quickly we can do these problems. So looking at the whiteboard here, you can see, whoops, made it too big. There we go. All right, so looking at the whiteboard here, you can see that we have a very simple equation here. It says, complete the table for the given rule. Well, the rule is in the form of an equation, y equals 5x. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to do substitution. We've done this in class. This is not new. And all we're going to do is write the equation. Oops, I need to get the pen. We're going to write the equation again, except instead of writing y, what I want to do is I want to substitute this value that they give me for y. So I know that the equation is y equals 5x. I'm going to substitute, and I'm going to say 5 equals 5x. Okay? So again, this y was substituted for the y in the equation. So now we have a fairly simple equation here. 5 equals 5 times something. Well, we know that 5 times 1 is 5. So in this instance, x has to be 1. 1 has to go there because that's the only number that will make this equation true. If I switch colors here, let's try the next one here. You can see right here that now y is going to be 4. So in the exact same equation right here, I'm going to substitute the y and put a 4 there. 4 equals 5 times x. Okay. So again, 4 has been substituted into the equation. All right. Well, the way we do this now, or the way we look at this now, is we say, okay, well, 5 times something is 4. So you're probably thinking from your multiplication tables, well, 5 times nothing is 4. How can that be? Well, what have we been focusing on this entire topic, this entire module? We've been focusing on isolating the variable. The variable is x, and right now x is being multiplied times 5. The opposite of that would be to divide by 5. X times 5 divided by 5 is just going to give you x. We do the exact same thing to the other side of the equation, and you can see that what we're left with is x equals 4/5. So in this box right here, you would type 4/5. It's going to be a little tricky for me to do it, but you would have to write the fraction. If it doesn't allow you to write the fraction, you just go ahead and change that to a decimal. We've learned that this year. Some of you may remember it. Some of you may have forgotten it, but you're also welcome to use a calculator. 4 divided by 5. It's going to give you decimal point 80. Okay? You would do the same thing for the third box here. You would just replace the y in the equation with 2, and you would find out that the answer is 2/5. And 2/5 is the same thing as decimal point 40. So you could go ahead and write decimal point 4 or decimal point 40. It's going to get you the same answer here. You could also write 2/5. So we've learned this before. I know it's been a few months, but again, just substitute the value that's given to you and try to find the missing value. Okay? So that's what you do for this exercise here. Again, I'm the third from the bottom in topic H, module 4, topic H, tables from equations with 2 variables. All right, that's how you do those problems. Good luck. Bye.